This is the May edition of In the Water. My name is Christine Brondike. I am the executive director here at Sweetwater Center for the Arts, and we have a lot of activities coming up this month. Everyone here is excited about the new Sweetwater Blooms market, which we will be launching on Saturday, May 18th. It's in partnership with local area flower farmers and artists in our community. It will be every third Saturday of the months of May through October, and we will be hosting it on Bank Street between Broad and Walnut. It'll be from 9 to 2, and we'll have vendors and kids activities and lots of stuff. So I hope to see you there. Our summer concert series, Sweet Jazz, has kicked off here at the center. We will be hosting them on Friday evenings through May and June. To look at tickets and to pick locations, go to sweetwaterartcenter.org. You'll find the information right there on our home screen. Our masterclass series is underway here at Sweetwater. We welcomed in April the fantastic Jen Allen, and we are very excited at the end of May to host Barbara Yenick, who is coming to us all the way from Washington State, and she will have a sold-out workshop. She is an abstract landscape artist that deals in oil and pastel. We have our new exhibition here at Sweetwater Center for the Arts. It is a folklore exhibition exploring folklore, myths, and everything haunted. I am holding right now a piece by local artist Erin Carlson. This piece, along with a couple other of her pieces, will be on display in the folklore exhibition until Friday, June 21st. That's it for the month of May. I'll see you back here in June when I have 1 million kids running around here with summer camps. Festival. Okay. Okay, I'll start over again. Okay.